Okay, hola clase. We're gonna do a little bit of review today for our test, which will be on Monday. So, first of all, kind of give you a little mini quiz, an informal quiz here, just to test what you know. Can you, without looking at your notes or your book, write out the days of the week, los días, the months, los meses, the seasons, las estaciones, and some of the weather expressions that we went over yesterday in tiempo. If you can't get them all, that's no big deal. See how many you can get on your own. I'll give you some time to write those out. How you doing? Good. Good, okay.
Thursday and Friday are.
Good job though. Okay, so let's go through them verbally and then you can, obviously you can check your spelling against the book there. But so por los días, would you read them out loud for me?
Lunes, martes, miércoles, and then I put sábado and domingo.
Okay, good. So we've got, missing would be jueves and viernes. Jueves and viernes for Thursday and Friday. Thursday is the one that gives people the most trouble. It's tricky.
Jueves and then
Viernes.
Viernes.
V-I-E-R-N-E-S.
and then
Good, okay, and then los meses, the months.
enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre.
Good, okay, muy good. And the 4 seasons, las estaciones.
Well, they're not in order. 'cause
That's okay.
didn't know that. El otoño, la invierno, le verano, la primavera.
Okay, good. All right, and then weather expressions, how many were you able to come up with there?
Hace calor, hace frío, llueve, right?
Llueve.
Llueve, hace sol, hace viento, nieva.
Good, I think that was all of them. Okay, excelente, good. All right, so now, if you take a look at page 23 in your book, we've got a couple of different exercises called Preparación para el examen. So we'll go through these and it'll give you an idea of the kinds of things that will be on your test on Monday. We'll do 2 listening exercises first. So we're looking at where it says escuchar uno, actividad uno. And we'll go ahead and just listen through and then we'll stop in between each one and discuss what it is they're saying.
Del estudiante. Página 23. Preparación para el examen. Escuchar. Practice task. On the exam, you will be asked to listen to and understand people as they greet each other and introduce themselves. To practice, listen to some students greet people in the school halls. Answer these questions about each greeting. Is it in the morning or afternoon? Was the greeting directed to an adult? How did that person respond?
1. Buenas tardes, señor Ruiz. ¿Cómo está usted? Bien, señor.
Okay, so do we have morning or afternoon?
Afternoon.
Afternoon, good. We had buenas tardes, señor Ruiz. ¿Cómo está usted?
That would be to an adult.
To an adult, and then bien, señor.
Wow.
Yeah, he's doing well. Good.
Do you want me to write?
You don't need to write it down. We'll just go over this verbally. Okay, here's the next one.
2. Hola, Elena.
Buenos días. Nos vemos en la escuela.
Okay, so again that was hola Elena, and then the girl says buenos días, nos vemos en la escuela.
So good morning.
Good morning.
It wasn't directed to an adult.
It wasn't directed to an adult, right? She says, like, let's get going to school, basically. Okay, and then here's the last one.
3. Julio, ¿qué tal?
Regular. ¿Y tú?
I don't think they said if it was morning.
We don't know if it's, it could have been either in the morning or the afternoon. We have ¿qué tal? And then the answer was regular. ¿Y tú?
How are you?
Yeah, so definitely this was like 2 friends to each other, so it was not directed at an adult. Okay, good. All right, then here's the next listening exercise, actividad 2.
Libro del estudiante. Página 23. Preparación para el examen. Escuchar. You will be asked to listen to and understand someone announcing the current date and time. To practice, listen to the message and answer the questions: what is the time of day? What is the date?
1. Muy buenos días. Es el 22 de septiembre.
22 de septiembre, would the date be there?
The 22nd of September.
Mm-hmm, good. Okay, and now we'll say the time.
Son las 8:30 de la mañana.
So 8:30 in the morning.
Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, here's the next one.
2. Muy buenas tardes. Es el 8 de enero.
That was the date.
So good afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
So the 8th of, what did he say?
Enero.
Oh, so January.
Yeah, good. Okay, and now we'll say the time.
Son las 2:20 de la tarde.
He said 2.
Mm-hmm. 2:20.
22. No, right, so 2:22.
Yeah, just 2:20.
Oh,
Right?
2:20.
2:20, yep.
Uh-huh.
And then he said, de la tarde, so what time of day would that be?
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon,
Okay.
good. Okay?
So that's like AM and PM.
Right, yeah. De la mañana in the morning, de la tarde in the afternoon, yeah. Okay, and then numero tres.
That's confusing because mañana also means tomorrow.
I know, it's the exact same word too, so it just depends on the context. Yeah.
3. Muy buenas noches. Es el 4 de noviembre. Son
El 4 de noviembre,
So
what would
the
the
4th
date
of
be?
November.
4th of November, and here's the time.
las 9:10 de la noche.
Son las 9:10.
So 9, 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
De la noche.
At night.
At night, yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Numero tres says leer. This is reading. So it says you'll be asked to read and understand a description of the weather for a given day. To practice, read the weather forecast below. Answer the questions: what is the date? What are the high and low temperatures? And what is the weather like? So it says el 2 de septiembre would be what date in English?
The 2nd of September.
2nd of September. Hoy en San Antonio hace sol.
In San Antonio, it's sunny.
It's sunny. La temperatura máxima es 75 grados. We haven't learned high numbers yet, but that doesn't matter for this exercise. So the max temperature, the high, is 75 degrees. Y la mínima, the minimum or the low, is 54. Then it says no llueve.
No rain.
No rain. Okay, so basically it's just recognizing,
Mhm.
what it's saying here. That should be fairly easy on the test. Okay, and then numero cuatro, leer. Again, you're just kind of reading through and recognizing what various items mean. So down below we've got, what is un cuaderno?
Folder.
A notebook
Or a
actually.
notebook, not a folder.
A notebook, yeah. How about un bolígrafo?
A pen.
Good. Un lápiz?
A pencil.
Good. Una carpeta?
A folder.
Una hoja de papel.
A piece of paper.
Good. Y un libro?
A book.
A book. Okay. Good. All right. So there will be some other things on the test as well, but just so you kind of have an idea here of the major ones. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. I'm going to give you a word in Spanish or a phrase. See if you can tell me the English meaning. So I'll just kind of randomly go through some of our vocabulary here. Let's start with, we'll start with things going on in the classroom, items, people in the classroom. What is el pupitre? Or pupitre, sorry. That's okay.
Oh, a desk.
Desk, okay? What is la sala de clase?
The classroom.
Yeah. How about la carpeta?
A note. No. No, because kind of, no, yeah, there's no but,
Mhm.
so. Maybe I just wrote these down. Oh, it's a folder.
Folder, yeah, that's
I didn't
okay.
know that.
No problem. Okay, what about el lápiz?
A pencil.
El libro.
A book.
Good. El profesor.
The teacher.
Yeah, teacher. Guy or girl teacher? El profesor.
A man.
Man, good. How would you say female teacher?
Professor.
Yeah, good. What about el estudiante?
A male student.
Male student, what's the feminine version?
La estudiante.
La estudiante, good. Okay, let's see here. What is la hoja de papel?
A piece of paper.
Good. Okay, let's see here. All right, moving on to weather expressions. What does this expression mean? Hace frío.
It's cold.
Good. What does this expression mean? ¿Qué tiempo hace?
What's the weather like?
Good. Llueve.
Rain.
It's raining. Hace viento.
It's raining.
Good. Hace sol.
It's sunny.
Nieva.
It's snowing.
Good. Okay. What is this word? La estación.
The season.
Good. El otoño.
Autumn.
La primavera.
Spring.
El verano.
Winter. Oh, el verano. Sorry, that's el invierno.
There you go.
Summer.
Good. Okay. Let's see here. Some greetings and expressions. What does buenas noches mean?
Good afternoon. Or no, good night.
Good night.
Evening. Good evening.
Good evening, good night. Yep, good. What about buenas tardes?
Good afternoon.
Good. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Wait. What is your name?
Good. Let's see here. What about mucho gusto? When do you say that to someone? Mucho gusto.
Very good. No.
Yeah, like nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
pleased
you.
to meet you. Let's see here. Okay, what is hola,
Hello.
adios,
Goodbye.
gracias.
Thank you.
Okay, good. De nada.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Let's see here. Okay, what about these questions? What do these mean? ¿Qué tal?
How do you say?
No, it's just a greeting.
Oh,
¿Qué tal?
how are you?
Yeah, like what's up, how's it going, how are you? It's
Mhm.
informal. What about ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
How are you? Good. And what's the formal version of ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás usted?
¿Cómo está usted?
¿Está usted?
Good. Okay, let's see. How would you ask someone, and you?
¿Y tú?
¿Y tú? Let's see here. You want to tell me that you are doing well. What word do you use in Spanish?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. Okay, good. Things are going all right, normal,
Regular.
regular. Okay, what is the word for nothing?
Nada.
Nada. Good. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, what does this question mean? ¿Qué hora es?
How do you spell? No. It's not one of those, how do you say it?
It's not one of the how do you, it's not one of the,
Is it like the days of the week?
uh-huh, ora. Que ora. It's spelled H-O-R-A. Que ora es. For example, son las 2:30.
Oh, what time is it?
What time is it? Yeah, que hora es? Okay. Let's see here. If I told you, son las 4:15.
4:25. No.
Close.
4:15.
4:15. Yeah. It's 4:15, right? Okay. What about son las 5:30?
5:30.
Mm-hmm. Good. Let's see.
For the test, are you
Yeah.
gonna have like numbers and we're gonna have to spell it out, or?
No, you won't have to spell out the numbers.
Okay.
No, you will have, well, let's see here, I can tell you. With the numbers, let's see. Oh, that's for Spanish too. Find our test. Come on. Here we go. Okay. No, what'll happen is you'll have the number spelled out and you'll have to write a digit.
Oh, okay.
So like if you see, once spelled out O-N-C-E, you know that it's 11.
Okay.
Yeah, so that, no, you don't have to know how to spell it. And then most of the vocabulary on here, it'll be like recognition. It will have you do a little bit of writing of things, but mostly
It's
recognizing.
like answering questions.
Yeah, there'll be. Yeah, gosh, it's almost all like a lot of times there'll be a picture and then they'll give you the word bank to choose from.
Okay.
So even with spelling, you don't have to worry about it that much at this point. We will later on, but
Okay.
for this preliminary chapter, it's fairly simple, it looks like, for this
Okay.
test in here. It just covers a lot of information, so. Okay, all right, I think we'll go ahead and stop there then.